Alright, so this is test 2 of custom forming a gripper to a custom shoe. So, I don't know what happened in my last video, but me doing the first test, the files got corrupted or something. I don't know, but I couldn't upload them. So I'm going to do it again. The last one I did was an old gripper, so this is a brand new one. Kind of brand new. My first test was with a blowtorch, and I was just melted. Did not work. So today I did a little more research and found out what people do for form fitting on some of those vacuum form machines, and they have rubber melting point anywhere between 260 to 315. And so we're gonna try that again today. It worked last time. I got the oven set at 325, and we're going to put this gripper onto a baking sheet. Well, it's an upside down muffin tin, and then I have some ramekins on that, and I'll put the gripper. I'll put the gripper over this and let it cook. For a little bit, and then from there we'll pull it out, put it onto the shoe. The last time I did it with the shoe, I made this really tight so it would fit in the bag really easily. Oh, that might be a problem today. But this time I put a bunch of sous vide beads in there. If anybody cooks with sous vide, they make these beads to put on top of the whatever water vessel you're using to keep it from the water from evaporating as quickly. So I jammed those down into the toe of the shoe, and then I just got a bottle of dill and a bottle of cilantro spices jammed in there to keep it rigid, because last time when I vacuum formed it, it crushed the shoe and it started to make creases on the shoe, and any sneakerhead knows that creases on shoes is not good. So then we'll bring it to the vacuum form bag, we'll shove it in here, and it has this really nice cross kind of stitch pattern. I don't know what else to call it. And when this melts, the Ashram grippers has this real nice textile to it to get extra traction on pebble. And I was worried about that deforming when you heat and vacuum seal it, and it does. But with that cross stitch pattern, all of a sudden you have just little squares all over your shoe, and hopefully it will accomplish the same thing. We won't know until I test them out on some ice in a couple weeks. But yeah, I'll try to set the camera up and show you how I do it real quick in real time here. I'll see how I can get the camera angle with this iPad I'm using. Cool.